Winning the lottery is a dream come true, but it's just the beginning of a new financial journey. At Davies Wealth Management, we know that wise investment decisions can turn this windfall into lasting security. First, secure your ticket and keep your win private to avoid unwanted attention. Next, build a financial dream team, including a financial advisor, attorney, and CPA to guide your newfound wealth. Understanding taxes is crucial. Decide between a lump sum or annuity payments based on your goals. Protect your identity by considering an LLC to claim your winnings. Short-term financial planning is key. Pay off debts, set aside taxes, and create an emergency fund. Define your financial objectives and craft a diversified investment strategy to manage risk and maximize returns. Preserve your wealth with insurance and tax-efficient strategies like charitable giving. Regularly review your financial plan to stay aligned with your goals. Invest in government bonds, high-yield savings, real estate, and stocks for a balanced portfolio. At Davies Wealth Management, we tailor strategies to ensure your lottery winnings bring long-term success and fulfillment.